Green City vocabulary. Among. Meaning, in the middle of or part of a group. Sentence, she sat among her friends in class. Destroyed. Meaning, broken or ruined completely. Sentence, the storm destroyed the small house. Opportunity. Meaning, a chance to do something. Sentence, she got an opportunity to study in a new school. Sustainability. Meaning, using things in a way that does not harm the future. Sentence, recycling helps with sustainability. Reclaimed. Meaning, taken back or used again. Sentence, the old land was reclaimed and made into a park. Constructed. Meaning, built or made. Sentence, workers constructed a new bridge in the city.